now, like I said, it's mating season. Well, let's see what that is coming. Why y'all so quiet? Is that a hot dog?
Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh.
Got y'all attention. Good morning.
Good morning.
Today we're heading to a little special, I don't know what you call it. Little treat.
Yeah.
Little treat for the Tates. Checking it off the bucket list with the airboat ride.
Yeah.
In Louisiana. And Amy was so hungry. There's not a lot of choices here in this area by the St. Bernard Park. So
McDonald's, not
you know
my favorite.
You know she's hungry when we're eating at McDonald's. You know she's got to get her food on.
Not healthy. Not.
But we're on our way. We're almost late.
We're not almost late.
We're probably going to be late.
No, we're not.
We probably won't be on time.
So this has always been on the top of Mark's bucket list, is doing the airboat ride. So what better place to do it than in Louisiana, in the swamps? Bayou, whatever they call it.
Yep. So we're on our way.
Tato.
Is this your boat?
It's my boat.
Number 5? Are you scared? Are you ready? Adventure?
That's right.
Hey, buddy. I ain't got more to take y'all. You don't see this many, no. But I'm going to take you all amazing places. Now, it's going to start tapering off as the sun comes up. Next day. Right here going. Make sure y'all see I say keep your hand and feet in the summertime. I haven't lost nobody yet. She was coming for you over there.
All the captains sit up higher, right?
Oh, wow.
Like I say, the meeting right now, you never know. You know? That is the one to bite. Look how big. Why y'all so quiet? Is that a hot dog?
Oh my gosh.
Got your attention. I don't like to use meat.
All right.
Now, that's your warning.
That's crazy.
Time you do, I'm thinking right now where. Now while we back here, that's what he put in the pack and all if you should have called. Watch out, what you see?
Oh, it's like a really big
Spider?
spider.
Oh yeah, they all. I think it possibly go up to a year without eating.
That's a pretty good size one. That's a pretty doggone big one there. Wow.
On this side, these guys are gonna find
There he is.
it. Yeah, sneaky.
Yeah, he's sneaky.
Oh.
Yeah, sneaky.
No.
Yeah, what that one about?
All right, give me your wallet. Make your thing do it. Yeah. That's big gator, yeah. Come on, 12 footer. Okay, well, see, that's why I had to get off from back there, the flies and stuff like that. See exactly where they're at.
Hey guys, I'm Marcus,
I'm Amy.
and this is Tate's Travel. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. It helps our channel grow. And you can subscribe to our channel. That was a bucket list item I had for quite a while.
Yeah.
Taking an airboat ride. We tried it down the Everglades a while back. We didn't have enough time there at the park. But Amy surprised me and said, hey, we're going for an airboat ride in New Orleans, Louisiana, in a real swamp.
That's
and I was
right.
like, yeah, oh yeah. So I got to check that off. It's about a 2 hour ride.
Yeah, I think so.
Did you like it?
I did.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was a little worried at first about being on a boat, especially an airboat, because I just wasn't really sure what to expect, and I get sick on planes and boats and stuff. But I was good. I was real good.
My concern was my ears.
Oh yeah,
Because my ears,
the noise.
I don't know, something with my ears. But the noise wasn't bad at all.
No,
The noise wasn't bad. They had 4 headsets there. We were on a smaller boat with just another couple and then us and then the guy that was driving it. And he said, you guys are welcome to use the headsets anytime you want.
we didn't have to.
We didn't use them.
No,
not one bit. I probably could have used them on the way back because it got a little windy. But the noise wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. It's pretty cool. Even when he like floored it and went, how fast do you think we were going?
I have no idea. We were going pretty fast.
And then there's like clumps of like grass and like it looked like almost land in the middle, and you're just gliding right over it with ease. It's really cool.
Yeah, it was very cool.
The gators were very active.
Yes, they were.
Different
Especially
than
with
Florida gators. I haven't seen.
No, I think
I just haven't personally seen gators that active.
I think it was a swamp crack.
Yeah, the swamp crack.
Yeah.
Which is basically a marshmallow on a stick.
Yeah.
The gators love that. And then he had a fake
hot dog
or something he put on the end of the stick one time, and he brought the gators right on board. That didn't scare you at all?
No, I
Were
mean
the gators like two inches away from your feet?
They were pretty close to me, but you could see I in the video I kind of like did like that and then started laughing because it was funny.
I pulled her back at one time, and she's
Yeah.
like, "What are you doing?" I'm like, "I thought she was going to get bit." For sure.
I know, it was really
and
cool.
Then at the end, when he brought that 12-foot gator on the boat, I was like, "Oh,
that was
my
awesome."
Lord. Yeah, it was awesome.
Yeah,
it was like
awesome.
Jaws, just swimming.
Except for a gator.
Dun 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 dun. We saw it from way far away, and it was coming like straight at us, and we're like,
Cool.
"Oh my gosh!" And then it went under the boat, and it reappeared, and then he brought it up on the boat, and
It was really cool.
it was a good time.
Yeah.
Great time. So
Let's talk about our driver for a minute. So our driver had a very thick Cajun accent.
oh yeah. He's talking like this. Hey guys, you want to come on board? You could tell everybody you know a guy.
Yeah,
I can't do a Cajun accent.
I know, but that was pretty. That was pretty good though. But so now, explain what the I know a guy is about.
Well, he was talking about like he was real comical, very informative, but very comical. He's like, "Give me your wallets now," or one time because he was bringing the gator on board.
Yeah.
And then he's like, now you guys can tell. Like, I can't do it without talking in an accent. I'm not very good at it. But basically, he said that you now know a guy in New Orleans in the swamp if you ever need to get rid of somebody, basically. And we're like, has this guy ever gotten rid of anybody before? But now me and Amy, that's our ongoing joke everywhere we go.
We know a guy.
We know a guy.
That's right. We know a guy now.
So, and he was a really cool guy.
Yeah, he was very cool.
Good. Very good experience. He made it worthwhile.
Yeah, definitely.
So,
definitely.
All right. Well, we'll see you next week. Tates are out.
Tate out.
Tates.
Tates.
It's always Tates. There's 2 of us.
I'm saying Tate out because
You're
I'm
saying,
singular.
But
from my perspective,
there's 2
I'm
of
Tate,
us.
so
Yeah, it's
Tate.
us. It's the Tates.
Yeah.
Travel. So it should
when
be
you say it like
the
that.
Tates out. Get it?
Yeah. Tate out.
Tates are out. See you next week.